I think it's a kind of addiction. When you start to see the difference in your body and you start to see what that workout is doing to you, the kind of feel-good factor that it gives to you. A lot of times, they ask me in the beauty regime, what is the best thing? I kept thinking and I said that, I think it's right after a workout. I think the only tip is to always be at it. I was talking to someone and, we had a debate and where they were saying that obsession is not a good thing. And it's probably not good and it should be in moderation. I just feel that if you want something and you want it to the best, then you have to be obsessed to a certain point. Obsession means that you think of that thing all the time. It's something in the back of your mind that you're aware of all the time. I wouldn't say I'm obsessed, but I think constantly aware of it. So what you eat, what you do, when you sleep, whether you're having your water or you're not, it is something that is just there and it becomes natural. Not so big on the stand that I would change it every day. But the question for the day is to keep it simple, clean, something easy, something sensuous, something feminine. I think that's pretty much what I usually am. I don't think I've changed that much. Definitely something very feminine and sensuous. Nothing just too much in your face. That's not how I dress usually. Very simple. Keep it simple. Together I think everybody sat and discussed. They definitely wanted very body hugging, very fitted kind of thing so that you can accentuate the curves and fitness. That was the basic brief really. I was quite happy actually. Whatever that they came up with was just fine with me. They wanted it simple and fitted and happy, and they let me do the hair the way I wanted. So I liked. Here I felt that my abs were sticking out, but they don't quite correct it, and this is just the way it was. We did sit on the final 4 or 5 that were going to come out, but they refused to, and I think that's a good thing. I think you're right. I mean, now that you're saying it, that. From Jessica, I think things have started to change so much. With Rani now coming with Aya and with Sri Devi, she's coming back, and Vidya, of course, has I think really set the ball rolling. I think a lot of credit goes to her. Things have changed so much, and I think it's a lot to do with the audiences. I think they are the ones that we need to give all the credit to, most of the credit to at least, because they make these films a success. Definitely, I think the mindsets are changing. We've been talking about this for the longest time, that this is a man's world, woman's world, whatever. But I think there's definitely some kind of movement. There is. I think the story is selling more than the star value doesn't count. Of course it does, but I think the story is becoming far more important. The content is becoming important, which is really good. Yeah.